recording.
How long are you gonna make your video?
I don't know.
I think I'm gonna make mine like 4 minutes.
Yeah, it has to at least be 10 minutes or under.
That's so cool.
Dang, these things suck. These cameras suck.
Well,
Alright, here we are watching cardboard and wood burn on a fireplace.
too bad we can't hear it on the camera. I don't think we can hear it at all. Oh well, we'll figure that out later.
So I got 36 seconds.
I got 45.
Damn, you probably started yours like a few seconds ahead further than I did. Alright, I'm going on a minute now.
I'm at a minute 5.
I'm at a minute. Minute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Minute 15. The log's still on fire, but the cardboard's like all shoveled out.
So it's burning. Alright, done recording.